Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel from cryptowichard. In today's video, we're going to be discussing Leo token or Leo, a cryptocurrency that has been gaining popularity in recent times. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. What is Leo token? Leo token is an ERC20 token, which means that it is built on the Ethereum blockchain. As an ERC20 token, Leo token enjoys the benefits of the Ethereum network, including fast transaction times and a high level of security. One of the main reasons why Leo token was created was to offer Bitfinex users a range of benefits and incentives for using the exchange. These benefits include reduced trading fees, access to exclusive services, and discounts on margin funding. Leo token can also be used as collateral for loans on the Bitfinex exchange, which allows users to access additional funds that can be used for trading or other purposes. Since its launch in 2019, Leo token has gained a significant amount of traction in the cryptocurrency market, and its value has steadily increased over time. This is due in part to the growing popularity of Bitfinex as a cryptocurrency exchange, as well as the increasing use cases for Leo token within the exchange ecosystem. As with all cryptocurrencies, investing in Leo token carries a certain amount of risk, and it is important for investors to do their own research and understand the potential risks involved. However, for those who are interested in trading on the Bitfinex exchange or accessing its exclusive services, Leo token may be a valuable asset to consider. As a utility token, Leo token is primarily used within the Bitfinex exchange ecosystem, and it is not intended to be used as a general-purpose cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Instead, its main purpose is to provide Bitfinex users with a range of benefits and incentives for using the exchange. One of the primary benefits of holding Leo token is reduced trading fees. Bitfinex users who hold Leo token in their account are eligible for a range of discounts on trading fees, depending on the amount of Leo token that they hold. In addition to reduced trading fees, Leo token also offers discounts on margin funding. This means that users who hold Leo token can access lower interest rates when they borrow funds to trade on margin, which can help to reduce their overall trading costs. Leo token also provides users with access to a range of exclusive services on the Bitfinex exchange. For example, users who hold Leo token may be able to access advanced trading features or participate in private sales of new cryptocurrencies that are not available to other users. Overall, Leo token is an important part of the Bitfinex ecosystem, and it offers a range of benefits and incentives to users of the exchange. While its primary use case is within the Bitfinex platform, it has also gained traction as a tradable asset on other cryptocurrency exchanges, and its value has steadily increased over time. Leo token price analysis. As with all cryptocurrencies, the price of Leo token is highly volatile and subject to fluctuations based on a range of factors, including market demand, investor sentiment, and overall market conditions. Over the past year, the price of Leo token has experienced a significant increase, rising by over 30% from its price a year ago. This increase can be attributed to a range of factors, including the growing popularity of Bitfinex as a cryptocurrency exchange, as well as the increasing use cases for Leo token within the exchange ecosystem. It is worth noting, however, that the price of Leo token can be affected by a range of factors, including regulatory changes, market trends, and overall investor sentiment towards the cryptocurrency market. As such, investing in Leo token carries a certain amount of risk, and it is important for investors to do their own research and understand the potential risks involved. That being said, for those who are interested in trading on the Bitfinex exchange or accessing its exclusive services, Leo token may be a valuable asset to consider. Its growing popularity and increasing use cases within the Bitfinex ecosystem suggest that it may have significant potential for future growth and value appreciation. Indeed, the price of Leo token can be influenced by a range of factors, including those related to the broader cryptocurrency market, as well as specific events related to the Bitfinex exchange. For example, changes in trading volume can have a significant impact on the price of Leo token. If there is a sudden increase in demand for Leo token, this can drive up its price as buyers compete to acquire the limited supply of tokens that are available. Conversely, if there is a sudden decrease in demand for Leo token, this can lead to a decline in its price as sellers try to unload their tokens in order to avoid losses. In addition, news related to the Bitfinex exchange can also affect the price of LEO token. For example, if there is news that Bitfinex is planning to launch a new service or feature that will increase demand for LEO token, this can drive up its price. Conversely, if there is negative news about the exchange, such as a security breach or regulatory crackdown, this can lead to a decline in the price of LEO token as investors become more risk-averse. Overall, while the current price of LEO token is relatively strong, it is important for investors to keep in mind the potential risks and uncertainties associated with the cryptocurrency market. By staying informed and monitoring market trends, investors can make more informed decisions about whether to buy, hold, or sell LEO token based on their individual investment goals and risk tolerance. How to buy LEO token? To purchase LEO token, the first step is to create an account on the Bitfinex exchange. This typically involves providing your email address and creating a strong password. Once your account has been created, you will need to verify your identity in order to comply with Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) regulations. This typically involves providing some form of government-issued identification, such as a passport or driver's license, as well as proof of address. Once your account has been verified, you can navigate to the LEO token trading page on the Bitfinex exchange. Here, you will be able to see the current market price of LEO token and the available buy and sell orders. To place a buy order for LEO token, you will need to specify the amount of LEO token that you would like to purchase and the price that you are willing to pay. If your buy order matches with a corresponding sell order on the exchange, your order will be filled and the LEO token will be credited to your account. It's worth noting that buying and selling cryptocurrencies like LEO token can be a complex process, and it is important for investors to understand the risks and potential rewards involved. It is recommended that you do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency trading, including trading of LEO token, can be a high-risk investment activity. The value of cryptocurrencies can be volatile and unpredictable, and their prices can fluctuate rapidly and substantially in response to various factors, such as market sentiment, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. Additionally, the cryptocurrency market is relatively new and largely unregulated, which can create additional risks for investors. There is a lack of oversight and protection that is typically provided by traditional financial institutions, and cryptocurrencies are often associated with fraudulent schemes and scams. Therefore, it is essential for investors to do their own research and ensure that they understand the risks involved before making any investments. This may involve educating oneself about the technology behind cryptocurrencies, understanding market trends and developments, and seeking advice from financial professionals. Moreover, it is important for investors to only invest what they can afford to lose and to have a well-diversified portfolio. Diversification can help to mitigate the risk of losses by spreading investments across different asset classes and sectors. In summary, while investing in LEO token and other cryptocurrencies can be potentially rewarding, it is also important to be aware of the potential risks involved and to take appropriate steps to manage these risks. LEO token use cases. In addition to the benefits mentioned earlier, there are several reasons why someone might want to use LEO token. 1. Lower trading fees. Bitfinex users who hold LEO token are eligible for reduced trading fees on the platform. This can be particularly appealing for frequent traders who are looking to reduce their transaction costs. 2. Margin funding discounts. Margin funding is a way for traders to borrow funds from other users in order to trade with leverage. Bitfinex users who hold LEO token are eligible for discounts on the fees associated with margin funding, which can help to lower the cost of borrowing funds. 3. Exclusive services. LEO token holders also have access to exclusive services on the Bitfinex exchange, such as priority customer support and access to new features before they are released to the general public. 4. Investment opportunities. As the value of LEO token increases, holders may be able to realize a profit by selling their tokens. Additionally, some investors may view LEO token as a long-term investment opportunity, particularly if they believe that the Bitfinex exchange will continue to grow and attract new users over time. Overall, Leo token can be a useful tool for Bitfinex users who are looking to lower their trading costs, access exclusive services, or potentially earn a profit through investing in the token. However, it's important to keep in mind that the value of Leo token can be volatile and that investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks. Bitfinex users who hold Leo token can also use it as collateral to borrow funds from the exchange. This can be an attractive option for traders who are looking to access additional funds to support their trading activities, without having to sell their existing cryptocurrency holdings. When using Leo token as collateral for a loan, users can typically borrow up to a certain percentage of the value of their token holdings. The exact terms of the loan, including the interest rate and repayment period, will depend on the specific loan product that is being used. However, it's important to keep in mind that borrowing funds using Leo token as collateral carries risks. If the value of Leo token or the underlying cryptocurrency that is being traded on the Bitfinex exchange drops significantly, users may be at risk of having their collateral liquidated in order to repay the loan. Therefore, it's essential to carefully consider the risks and benefits of using Leo token as collateral before making any borrowing decisions. Conclusion: while Leo token may not be as well known as some of the larger cryptocurrencies, it has been steadily gaining traction in the market, particularly among users of the Bitfinex exchange. As the platform continues to grow and attract new users, it's possible that demand for Leo token could increase, potentially driving up its value. However, as with any cryptocurrency investment, it's important to carefully consider the risks and potential rewards before making any decisions. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility, and the value of Leo token can fluctuate rapidly based on a variety of factors. Therefore, it's essential to do your own research, stay informed about market trends and news related to Bitfinex, and carefully consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before investing in Leo token or any other cryptocurrency. Thank you for joining us for this video on Leo token. We hope that you found the information provided helpful and informative. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency can be exciting and rewarding, but it's important to approach it with caution and informed decision-making. As always, be sure to do your own research, stay informed about market trends and news, and carefully consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before investing in any cryptocurrency. Thank you for joining us for this video on Leo token. We hope that you found the information provided helpful and informative. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency can be exciting and rewarding, but it's important to approach it with caution and informed decision-making. As always, be sure to do your own research, stay informed about market trends and news, and carefully consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before investing in any cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or comments about Leo token, Bitfinex, or cryptocurrency investing in general, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos about the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.